Here I have a Dell Inspiron 7000 series laptop in for a RAM upgrade. These things can hold 32 gigabytes of RAM, 2 slots, both 16 gigabytes obviously. I believe only 31 gigabytes are usable, but it's still worth the extra. So after you turn the laptop upside down, all you have to do is make sure you take out anything in any of your reports. Okay, those are all good. And you'll have 10 Phillips head screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get your middle one, and then 10. Now once you take out the 10 screws on the bottom, flip your laptop, open it back up, and it'll start to separate. So then you can just shut it, flip it back over again. Here's your factory. Over on your right will be your empty. That's what we put in there. And to put the new RAM in, it's pretty simple. Just 2 little simple clips. That's how it'll look. Slide it in, press down, good to go.